I am in front of my Portugal house, and I'm going to give you a tour of the inside. We live on a very busy street. There are always cars going by. This is my doorbell. It sometimes doesn't work, but we have a backup. Old-fashioned. So come on in, let's have a look. This is our yard. It's our little sanctuary in the midst of a busy city. It's actually a small city. We love it. We have a hammock if you want to come. Enjoy a moment in the sun. Moment of rest. It's nice. The thing I love about this yard is that no matter what time of the year it is, something is blooming. So it's January 31st today. We just got through like the worst month in Portugal. A lot of rain, a lot of cold. And this tree was blooming all month long. And I want to show you the view as well. So we can see the river. And then that way is the Atlantic Ocean. It's about a 15-minute jog or a 4-minute car ride. This is our front door, but we actually never go in this way because we never have our keys and it's always locked. So let's go in the other door. We have so many fruit trees. This is like a tangerine tree. We have lemon. We have avocado. We have a swimming pool, which our kids love in the summer. We close it for the winter season. Our trampoline is a bit of an eyesore, but the kids spend hours a day, so it was worth it. The kids also spend a lot of time hanging out on this. We have many meals around this table, especially in the spring and summer when the weather's a little warmer. And this is our orange tree, which right now we actually have a lot of oranges, and we squeeze and make fresh orange juice. And up here is just our sunbathing place. Sometimes I sit on one of these and just read a book. I can see the ocean from here, and it's just relaxing. This is a bit of the outdoor space. I can show you Calvin's worms. Do you think they'll want to see your worms?
Yeah, it's interesting.
Okay. This is actually our neighbor's garden. They are awesome gardeners, and they're so kind. They share their produce, they share their eggs with us, and we really love them. Hi, Cairo. This is Cairo. This is Ivory. She's wanting to film like her dad, so she's filming me. Yeah. You filming Mom too? Great. I don't really come back here, but underneath here are Calvin's worms, his worm babies. I don't know, maybe you should explain what you do, hon.
The worms eat our food scraps, and then they make really nice dirt.
Okay, and then we put the dirt back into our garden, right? Yeah. We have a gardener that comes every couple weeks, every month. He manicures everything. He trims what needs to be trimmed. And he is such a gift to us. We pay him $15 US an hour, but he really, really knows his stuff. So we're so thankful for him. All right, let's check inside. Looks like Ivory's getting a snack. Oh, filming with kids is just an adventure. Okay. Hi. Oh, what time are we at? So this is like, I measure my water. I'm trying to drink more water, and this is 1 p.m. It's already almost 3, so I need to drink some more water.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is our kitchen. It has pretty much everything a normal kitchen would have. Something that we're not used to here in Europe, I mean now we are, is that they put the washing machine right in the kitchen. You don't find that in the States. And then we have a dishwasher. Calvin has his whole coffee set up. We have our microwave and our oven, our stove top. And then we have a lot of drawers and a lot of cupboards. I really love this kitchen. I spend a lot of time cooking food in here. And then of course we have our refrigerator and freezer. And this right here is just called an island because you can walk around it, an island. And then, yeah, this is where we eat a lot of our meals around the table. And it's also interesting, but there's just a bathroom right here. Just with a toilet and sink, we have a little bathroom. So it's kind of awkward if people are eating and then someone else is using the bathroom, but it is what it is. So this opens up into our living room. So this is our living space. So we spend a lot of time in here. We don't have any central heating or air conditioning in this house. And so this little heater basically heats our downstairs, which is basically just the kitchen and the living room. And then behind there we have a TV, so we watch movies in here. We have our couch, and Calvin made this cool coffee table. And yeah, I always buy fresh flowers every week at the market in town because they're super beautiful. And we just have a lot of windows, so we again have the view of the river, which I love. And this is probably everyone's favorite chair, the rattan chair, because it's super comfortable. We bought this right when we moved in because Portugal, we're in northern Portugal, and so it was so rainy. So I had this hanging rack for my clothes, and I would have my clothes drying, and then it would start to rain, and I would go take the rack, run it in the house, then it'd be sunny, I'd run it out, and I was like, I can't do this. So that was our best investment, buying a dryer, because now we can have dry clothes all the time. This is our little entryway. We probably have too many coats and shoes that we keep in these little baskets, the kids' backpacks. This was also a great purchase and necessary. It is a dehumidifier. Actually, it's full. The tank is full. So when it's full, like this is just from today. Like we empty this thing every single day, like sometimes multiple times a day. There is so much humidity and moisture in the air. It's crazy. Okay, should we go upstairs? So Ivory actually wanted this room. This is Ivory's room. She has her own little bathroom and shower. And this is where she sleeps. She has a lot of stuffed animals. My kids love stuffed animals and they love Legos. So that's kind of what you find in every room. And then she has her artwork on the wall. She likes to do art too. She likes to set up her Legos. And then going upstairs even more, we have Maddox's room. He just had a birthday like 2 days ago, and so he still has a lot of balloons.
Right now we're playing hide and seek.
Oh, you guys are playing hide and seek?
Yeah, so I gotta find you.
Okay. What kind of bed is this called? Loft bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like a loft bed. So Maddox sleeps up there, but then he has his desk here, and he has tons of Lego and like every square inch because that's his hobby and that's what he loves to do. And then he has
stickers too.
Oh yeah, and he also collects these stickers from wherever we travel, different cities, different countries. And did I mention he has a bathroom too with a shower and toilet? This is our little area where I work actually. And the thing I love about my desk, Maddox, can I show them? Maddox is playing a game. Is that my desk, I can move it. It's on wheels. And so sometimes I work like out in the sunroom. I can just haul this thing anywhere. It's portable and really light. So this is where I work. And then I love my view. Let's save that for last. So this is,
Can't go in my room or anything.
this is our bathroom right here. We don't normally leave these open because we want privacy, but to let some light in, we open them. But we have our vanity with our mirror, and we have our shower and our toilet and this bidet, which I don't think anyone's ever used. This is very European. Like, Americans do not use these. Unless you do, let me know right in the comments. Maybe you have one in your house, but I've never seen them personally in the States. And this is my room and Calvin's room. So it's pretty simple. Calvin works there. This is our bed. We just have one, I don't want to show them in my closet, but basically we share all the space as major storage and all of our clothes. So, and my art supplies are in there too. Oh, and this This is fun. I saw this online and I bought it because I started painting this year. And so I just can change out like my artwork whenever I want. And since I paint all the time, I can just put whatever one I want in the front and then store the rest in this like little box. I mean, eventually it'll get full, but yeah, I thought that was fun. So I always have new artwork by my bed right here. And this is Cairo's room, so the baby of the family. So all of our kids have their own rooms. This is a 4-bedroom house. This room does not have a bathroom like the other 2 kids, but it does have a lot of Lego. Oh my gosh, my kids love Lego. And this one actually has the best view in the house, I think, because you can see the river out that window. I don't know if you want to capture the view. The view is like the selling point of this house. Yeah, we rent this house. So this is a rental house and we pay 1,600 euros a month, which a house like this in America would be a lot more. For this area, I think it's a little bit expensive, but we love it. This view as well. Let's take them out to the sunroom, like my favorite one. This is probably our favorite place in the whole house because of all the windows. I mean, it gets hot in here, so it's like kind of cold outside, but in here, you could be in your swimsuit and you'd be like sweating and get a suntan, I think. This is an old abandoned hospital, so I don't know if they'll ever do anything with that, but for right now, we have a lot of space. They're renovating that house, our neighbor's house as well. But yeah, we just love to sit here with our coffee, with our tea, close our eyes, enjoy the sun. Oh, sun feels so nice. My hands are so cold. It's very important. Calvin's ukulele. If you watched our last video, you'll know what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. And we try to keep these plants alive. So this is a rental house and we've been in here for 1.5 years and all of these plants were in here and a lot of these things were in here, but not everything was in here. Like we bought a lot of stuff too and then a lot of stuff was here. So it's like a good mix. But we hope to be here for a while. My son was like, Mom, this house feels more like home every day. Like, please buy this house. I was like, we'll see. We'll see if it's possible. Thank you so much for coming with me along this tour, checking out our Portugal house. I hope that you guys liked it and that you learned a lot of vocabulary. If you're in Portugal and you want to come say hi, let me know. I would love to meet you. I would love to see you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write a comment. I always love to hear from you. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.